We've recently started the consultation period for the 2023-2024 budget for Neath Talbot Council, and whilst the funding received from Welsh Government is better than expected, we still have pressures of up to £23 million that we have to find to balance our budget for next year. We are firmly aware that this cost of living crisis is having an impact on household budgets. And like you, we are having to find savings in our budgets to help us to still deliver those services that we need to in our communities. We are looking at different measures, including the use of our council buildings, rationalisation of them and repurposing. We're also looking at technology and how that can have an impact, as well as a range of other efficiencies. We are proposing in the next financial year to use £4.9 million out of our general reserves to help balance our budget. We recognise that council tax is an additional pressure to many of the households within Neath Talbot County Borough Council. The increase of between 96p and 1.28p per week will help to keep our essential services running. There are two reasons why we have had to raise the level of council tax. Firstly, a decision was made in the last administration to bring indoor leisure services and our Celtic leisure back in-house, and that has come with an added pressure. We also need to protect our vulnerable learners and to help inward investment. And in addition to that, the fire service levy this year has increased by upwards of 13%. That also comes with an added cost that has to be paid for by an increase in our council tax. We want to know how these budget proposals are going to affect you and what impact they're going to have on your budgets. So please, let's talk. You can access the questionnaire online at www.npt.gov.uk/let's talk. Alternatively, you can pick up a paper copy of the questionnaire at any one of our local libraries and civic centres.